Here's a super sharp 2011 Ford Econoline extended Rocky Ridge 9-passenger conversion van. Ultra rare, 20-inch vision wheels, gorgeous 67,000 original miles. Excuse me, it's 68,000 original miles. Color keyed front bumper and grille. 20-inch vision wheels, Toyo tires. This thing is bad to the bone. Navigation, backup camera, sound system that'll knock your ears off. Awesome. 4TV's. This thing is bad to the bone. Runs and drives brand new. Just like a car, you could ride this thing down the highway. Drives ultra smooth. Very rare Rocky Ridge conversion van. It's got dual exhaust. It's a sharp looking van. Turns heads everywhere. 68,000 miles. Show you the interior. Leather interior, loaded out. Rear power, excuse me, rear folding bench seat. Four TVs inside. Beautiful head unit, Bluetooth, navigation, backup camera. This thing is bad to the bone. Color keyed bumpers. Xbox One. This thing is set up for a road trip. 68,000 miles, clean Carfax, rust-free Southern van, laser straight down the sides. Look at this bad boy. Running boards, two-tone leather inside. What do you see the inside of this thing? Got beautiful wood grain, interior accents everywhere. This thing hardly has a mark on it anywhere. You got all your remote controls for all your TVs, head unit. This thing is awesome. Two-tone leather interior throughout. This head unit is also a TV monitor, navigation system, backup camera. It's got every function, Bluetooth. It's got wireless Wi-Fi capabilities. You could even connect your phone, connect your Netflix to this system, and you can watch Netflix and stream it through your phone if you want, or however, your iPad. Got your cup holders. This thing is rad. 68,000 original miles. Very, very, very well kept van. Like I said, it's loaded down with all of the options. Non-smoker. Clean, clean, clean inside and out. Seats and carpet are like new. Look at this thing. Gorgeous two-tone leather interior. Super ultra comfortable. 9-passenger seating, so it's got 6 captain chairs. Rear folding bench seat, as you can see, is laid out. Just giving you the tour here. I'll walk you all the way through it. You got your flip down TV monitor here. You also have 2 TV monitors on the rear headrest seats. Everything is working, functional. The radio is awesome in this truck. It sounds amazing. Laser straight down the sides. Look at those Vision 20-inch wheels, almost brand new. They probably got 1,000 miles on them. Toyo Proxy tires, excellent shape, plenty of tread life left. Gorgeous stripe package. Got your wood grain cup holders everywhere. 6 big, beautiful captain chairs here. 2, 4, 6, and the rear folding bench seat. 9 full passengers, nice, comfortable, ultra luxe. Got your flip down monitor, got an Xbox One back there. This all works, everything tethers. Carpet's like new. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. You could text us to that number. We ship all over the world. We're happy to help at any time. All the bumpers, everything is color keyed. Tint, got your backup camera here, got your folding bench seat back here. Look at that. Memphis audio throughout. You got a nice subwoofer underneath here. It's all wired professionally. You got your Xbox One, you got your remote, your headsets for everything. Everything is here. Gorgeous wood grain. Van drives beautifully. Got 2 monitors here. Look at this bad boy. This thing is awesome. 2011 Ford Econoline Rocky Ridge. conversion van, 68,000 original miles, clean Carfax, thing is bad to the bone, two-tone gray, beautiful stripe kit. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. You can reach us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. We are happy to help. We can ship anywhere in the world. We accept any types of trade-ins, anything, cars, boats, motorcycles, anything, you name it, we'll take it in trade. We've been in business 45 years. We're happy to help with any questions you might have about this big bad conversion van. Ask for Jeff or Ken anytime. suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. Look at the wood grain. Got everything here. This thing is awesome. All your apps. Full technology package in this bad boy. Beautiful two-tone leather. WeatherTech front mats. I mean, this thing isn't missing anything. It's ready to go today. Jump in it. Drive from Florida to Washington if you want. The thing is ready to go. Fully serviced. Ready to go. 954-561-2499, or reach us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. We are happy to help at any time. Just ask for Jeff or Ken. Thank you.